Hey y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create a really fun glittery blue Louis Vuitton nail set. I am using full cover press-on nails here, and I'm going to show you guys how to create this look super easy. So I am using this Kitty Claws blue glitter acrylic, and then I'm also using this other glittery blue acrylic, and I'm placing it over the full cover nails. I am using my s&mnailcandi monomer, and this is a number 10 brush. And what you want to do is you want to take a drier bead and then just slightly feather it down the nail. I started at the base area and I'm feathering this down the nail. Super easy. And again, these are press-on nails and we're applying acrylic on top of them. So you want to make sure that you're working in really thin layers. You don't need to encapsulate these or anything. Just make sure you're working in really thin layers. You don't want to bulk up the nail too much. And then I start, you guys can see here at the base area, and then I'm just lightly feathering this beautiful blue glitter down the nails. Super easy, and I'm doing this to the first finger and the ring finger. So now I'm going to go in with a nude color, and this is going to be the base for our Louis Vuitton transfer foil design. I'm using s&mnailcandi cover, and I do have a discount code for her. This is Cover Honey. It is a beautiful nude, and my discount code is s&mnailcandi if you guys are interested. So I like to hold the powder on my brush a little bit until I can see that it's fully saturated with the liquid, and this acrylic is super great. You guys can see how it's not runny. It moves exactly where I place it, which is perfect when you're doing nails like this, press-on nails, or applying acrylic over full cover nails, because it doesn't bulk up, it doesn't run into your cuticles, so it's super easy to work with. And I'm just building this up. I'm going to do this on the middle finger and the pinky finger, and this is going to be a base for our Louis Vuitton transfer foils. So again, you guys, these are super easy press on nails. We are doing acrylic over. These are blue glitter nails with a fun Louis Vuitton transfer foil design. So you guys can see how smooth the acrylic is applying. I'm smoothing it out, working in really thin layers. We do not want to bulk up the nails at all since we are not going to be capping these. So I'm going to continue doing this on the pinky finger. Alright, you guys, so now for the fun Louis Vuitton transfer foil design, I applied transfer foil gel, applied it and cured it in my lamp for about 60 seconds. I find that if I do it for about 10 seconds less, so like 50 seconds, the transfer comes out much, much smoother. So I am taking this transfer foil. I got this from AliExpress. And you want to make sure that you really rub in the transfer foil on the nail before you peel it off. And that way you ensure that you get a really smooth application to the nail. So you really want to make sure that you're pressing and rubbing fairly hard into the nail just to make sure that you get a really smooth transfer. And these are super cute, you guys. Look how easy they were. They're gorgeous. You can wear these as press-on nails, so you can change them out, or you can wear them all the time. You can just use buff the underside of the nail, buff your nails, prep and prime. You can adhere these with acrylic, with poly gel, with builder gel, with glue, and they will last you 2 to 3 weeks. So these are super easy to do. I did not encapsulate these. I just went over with top coat, and they are super beautiful and easy. Okay, so I'm going in with the s&mnailcandi top gel. This is a no wipe, and it's super shiny and lustrous top coat. Perfect for these blue glitters. Super gorgeous. And I absolutely love the way these glitters came out with the Louis Vuitton transfer foil. Absolutely gorgeous. And sometimes I like to run along the sides just to make sure that the top coat is not bulking up the nail. But we are going to top coat all the nails here, and then we're going to give it a really a good cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go on to add some decorations. All right, you guys, to adhere these little crystals, I just put really small blue crystals randomly on the Louis Vuitton nail. And to adhere these, I just went in with another layer of top gloss. You can go in with a glue, whatever works for you. I'm using this crystal picker upper. I got this one from Amazon, and these are just light blue, random light blue crystals that I found. They're not light, they're like darker blue, and I really just randomly placed them on the Louis Vuitton nails. I found that it really tied the look together and brought in that blue glitter acrylic even more. I really loved just a random design here with the crystals. I really like the way that these turned out. So again, I'm just randomly placing these on the Louis Vuitton nails. These are like darker blue, tiny crystals, and I found it really brought the look together. It was super easy and super fun to do. And you guys, please subscribe if you have not already. I would love it if you would join us. Like this video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. I really enjoyed this set. I mean, I didn't even have to encapsulate these glitter acrylics. It was super easy. And again, what I love about this is that these are press-on, so you can change them up, wear them for a night, or if you adhere them really well onto the nail with alcohol, with acrylic, poly gel, or builder gel, you guys can wear these as a full set for 2-3 weeks and just infill them. So I really love these nails. I hope you guys did too, and thank you so much for watching as always, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.